We went to a Tokyo flea market not knowing what to expect, but ended up finding some really unexpected stuff, from vintage pieces to random gems. Let's see what you can actually find here. Hello everyone, so today's agenda is
Thrift shopping.
we're gonna go thrift shopping in the biggest flea market here in Tokyo. It's located in a race course in Oi Kabahome Station. It's about a 6-minute walk from the station, and right away we noticed how big the area was. From this angle, you can really see how big the place is. So there's the parking on the top level, a lower level, and even outside in the open areas. There are stalls literally everywhere, and it's way bigger than we expected. Now let's get into the photo vlog, where I'll show you some of the more interesting items that we found. We'll try to categorize it by section. So let's start with the watches. There were a lot of Japanese brands, Citizen, Casio, Seikos, and even Grand Seikos, even some vintage pieces. You could tell some sellers really curated their collections, and a few stalls stood right away. One thing that caught my attention though, some stores actually had signs saying you're not allowed to take pictures or use AI to bargain with them. Then we checked out the clothing section, and there was honestly so much to go through. A lot of denim jackets, vintage shirts. You could spend hours digging through everything. I ended up getting a Carhartt shirt, which is pretty solid find. There were also some old jerseys, graphic tees, and basically every random clothing accessory you can think of. For bags, there were a lot of designer brands, but I couldn't really tell if they were real or not. For the electronic sections, it was honestly such a fun thing to look at. A lot of stuff here felt super nostalgic. There were some old instruments, retro consoles, PS2 games, Game Boys, even old iPods. We also saw a bunch of vintage film cameras scattered around different stalls. It kind of felt like walking through different eras of tech. Before exploring the rest of the market, we had some lunch, and surprisingly there were a lot of food stalls, probably around 10 to 20 of different choices. And we kept it simple and quick, so we got some coffee and a yummy hot dog sandwich. Then we got to the toy section, and honestly, this was one of the more fun areas to look around in. There were a lot of vintage collectibles, old toys, and new original merch from Sanrio, Nintendo, and other Japanese brands. At this point, we just started appreciating all the random things you can find here, from old magazines to match accessories. There's honestly a little bit of everything. You can even find this cute dog manning the stall. After everything, we're finally done shopping, and let's check what we bought. Okay, we just got back from the flea market. You can literally spend the whole 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. there.
That's everything.
That's everything. I'm not. Yeah, there are restrooms, there are food, but it's kind of a hassle to eat. Yeah. The watches, I think it was kind of hard to find like a good deal. After all that, what did we get? So Mai didn't get anything for herself.
Yeah,
because she's choosy.
It's too overwhelmed.
She's too choosy.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I got myself a Carhartt shirt. So this Carhartt shirt is just 2,500 yen. In pesos, how much is that? Probably 1,000. Retail goes probably way higher than that. Actually, don't know the price of Carhartt. It's my first Carhartt. Then
It's used.
whatever. Then we also got some gifts for my nephew and niece. So for my niece, she loves cinnamon roll. We got her
Cinema roll. Is it a pencil case? And pen.
So this is actually an official Sanrio product. It's still in its original packaging. This is what's nice about it. In the flea market, we only paid actually like 250 yen each for this and 250 for this. But we went to Loft department store earlier, and we saw it was priced at 600 yen. So we were able to save more than half of the original price. Then the gift for my nephew, Bowser. This one we got for how much? 2,000 yen. And when we checked online, it was 4,000 to 6,000 yen. So I'm very happy with this purchase. And it's an original product from the Nintendo world. See? We got
A matcha bowl. What?
what?
Since when were we matcha people?
We came from Uji and bought matcha, but we didn't know anything about it. So we bought this bowl for 2,000 yen
Yeah,
and this whisk for
2,000.
2,000 yen. I don't even know if it's a good deal,
Yeah.
but I asked my friend. He said it's a good deal na daw. We didn't continue to purchase the other parts of like the set,
The holder.
the holder and whatever. We'll just purchase it on Shopee, but this will do for now. I guess that's it
Yeah.
for our finds. Say your closing remarks.
See you next time.